The lens you hold is always a choice: to dwell on lack or divine rejoice. When shadows loom, a tempting call to count the cracks upon the wall. But turn your gaze to what is right. See your wholeness in your light. Embrace the strength that lies within. Let wholeness anew your spirit spin. For with this focus and intent, you claim the domain of your own consent. No chains can bind, no fear can hold. A sovereign soul, a story told. The power rests within your hand to shape the world, to take a stand. So choose your direction, open your flow. Allow your breath, your I am, to grow. Akaneaseya Toreyakokoa Toshene Koshene Anama